Alright, just because the other squeak is fixed doesn't mean this stuff is totally shut down, its noise making capabilities. So the problem with this thing is that it's this slotted hole. And you know, this thing's kind of generic, so they give it a slotted hole. So not only is it too big this direction, but it's too big that direction as well. And it slides, it just moves a little bit. So I'm going to try and take care of that by doing the following. I have this kind of a washer. Alright, this is the one that comes with it, so I'm going to take that one, put that down. I'm going to bore out that hole a little bit, and then the entire assembly is going to go inside this piece of plastic, like that, once I bored a hole in the piece of plastic as well. And then this guy goes on. And hopefully what's going to happen is that the piece of plastic is going to provide a smooth, friction-free surface, so that rather than binding and going squeak, 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 it's just going to go slide, slide. And these things are tough. Like I said, they're designed to work with furniture. And I believe they actually have a bit of Teflon in them. Alright, it may look kind of goofy with this thing all cut up halfway like that, but I just wanted to do it real quick, and it's under the car where you can't really see it. But anyway, it's nice and tight. Pretty darn sure that's not going to squeak. Of course, I got to do the other side, somewhere over there. Where is it? There it is. Anyway, but so anyway, I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to take it out for test drive. So the question for you is, what YouTuber would say they're going to take their vehicle out for a toodle? You're good if you know who says toodle. Okay, got this side done now. And both ends of this U-bolt more or less stripped out. I mean, I can get these things on there. There's enough metal left to make them work, but boy, talk about a bunch of rust. So, what a pain, but it's going to work. Alright, as a little bonus to this little squeak fix, I'm going to put in some, oh man, fuel injection style hose clamps. Right there to try and get rid of that leak. 2 fuel injection hose clamps. I got to turn it on, see if they leak. Oh man. So far, I guess that's all for now.